Welcome back YouTube. Today we're going to go out in the cars, going out in the Evo. We're going to go to a local show, fairly local, just a bit past Brighton Park, called Sturgate Straight. So Lee's coming over in his Fiesta Subaru, which is, as it says, it's Fiesta Subaru. If not, he's going to come over in the Yaris GR. And Pet, we're going to meet Pet at fuel station in his Evo, have a good run there. So this is a new camera. Hopefully we're going to get it on back of the Evo, and we're going to get some footage. And really, I've not played with it, so this is first time. So I've got I think we might have a bit of wind noise issue, but I've got a plan for that. So hopefully we'll get on back of the Evo and we should get some rolling shots. So yeah. Oh yeah, well, was it 05? Nice little Mexico. straight cutting that. Straight cutting it. RS 500. Could you hear it?
Is it 500 that?
Yeah, RS 500 E-plate. 500s have a gurney lip on the top spoiler and that lower boot spoiler. The 3 doors down.
Going down.
What's this thing? Get a go of that, Pep. It's like a unicycle with engine. Look, wheel round out there.
Bigger bollocks than me.
Yeah, well, you ain't not get me on that.
Fucking won't move either.
Oh, there's a Mustang going down, I didn't even hear it. My booster. Watch this Sierra go down. Well, do you know who that is in 500? Right?
No, I was asking you, see if you
No,
do.
I don't. Some APs on front. Nice that though. Proper one.
Oh yeah, you're going to afford to pay for it.
His mum's not going to be happy though, is she? When she finds out. Give him, you little bastard. Your mum finds out you've took a car down drag strip, you fucked it. Round 2. We should get your Evo up here, Pet. Put a little glanzer at the side of it and let it smoke you.
What the what?
This little glanzer, it's starlet thing.
Oh yeah. We'll see, won't we?
What's this? Two.
We're told they not before
Do a burnout then.
Landed like that. On the hump itself. Yeah. So,
Is he going to do a burnout? We did nearly. He's put dealership put the wheels on, hasn't he? That weren't long enough to get some back. Deeply disappointed. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, best part of Michelin blowing in the wind. Like my hair, that, isn't it? Every time a gust of wind comes, it blows off.
Not long that.
Not long, a month and I'll have some. What, you seriously think that's a good looking car?
Yeah.
Really?
It's not retained the old, but for me, it's not retained the old Mustang.
Yeah, here's that little Starlet GT that's going to smoke you on way home. I reckon he'd give that Mustang a good old arse whooping. Yeah, he'd give that Mustang a good old arse whooping. So well, Pep's farted.
I'll surprise a few people.
Yeah.
It's a bag of shit, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's,
You can get that passenger out. Come on, you can get out, go faster with
Do you reckon? I don't know, I reckon it's only about 280 offset. I'd say only 280. You're not...
You got Dino in your head?
Yeah, I know, I've got 282,
I've got spirit.
294 foot-pounds.
I can look at something. I bet that against that McLaren, that annihilated to fucking down here.
yeah.
I'd like to see that little Starlet against some of the good stuff.
Yeah.
I think one thing it'd leave that Mustang
Easy.
Would, yeah, easy.
just like he stood still.
Oh, definitely.
Not listening.
Pete, are you going down in wheelchair?
Only if you're pushing, Dave.
Come
on, lad. Me and you.
I'll push. I've had my Weetabix today.
He'll be up in a puffin.
I've had 3 Weetabix, I'm fat.
When they're fucking 50, they're not going to have fucking. I wish I had one of them when I was young. They're not going to have that.
Because they owned one. Because they had one. Yeah.
Because they had one.
Yeah.
So
we
all
can do
these
that,
classics
couldn't
now.
we?
Yeah. They're not going to have all. They're not going to have the
I think
dream car.
that's why everything I've got now is what I wanted.
Yeah. When I was growing up, I wanted the Mark II Escort. When I was, like,
Well,
used
you've
to watch
got
them.
loads of them.
Yeah, a few of them. A fucking Space Frame Mini. I've got that.
You've got what? You've got. He's got his Z-Cars Mini. We Honda K20 in back.
2.4 in back.
Oh, is that you with that?
No, he's green one
What, Mini with a Honda
in back.
2 litre? Yeah.
Yeah, Lee's
Oh,
got one. But he's not telling you he's got how much stuff he's got.
My garage is about from here to that fucking van long.
You say somebody
There's
said something.
WRC cars and everything.
Yeah.
I've
I've got a Stig Blanquist kick car, maxi kick car.
yeah, the Escort
Yeah.
Mark 6, the RS 2000.
Yeah, yeah.
The
Escort kick car.
Maxis, got one of them.
Stig Blanquist.
Bloody hell. You haven't got?
No. No.
Got an outright That's immaculate. It's 130,000 kilometres.
What colour's that?
White.
White one, yeah.
It's 100.
350Z.
That's beautiful.
So they can sort the mistakes out, but just enough room for you to move. Well, if they mess up on there and they drift off into this lot, go to there, you've got enough time to get out of the way.
Mustang's having another go.
Yeah.
Is he going to do 10 burnouts before? Won't keep his tyres warm.
Keep watching. You might.
This McLaren's having another go.
What's happened is wind, it's only listen to you as well.
The thing is, with them, if everything's wrong,
I just expected a bit more from that, mate. I've not been in one, so I don't know what the.
What?
They've got that super sport. That, like I say, in induction it opens some air flaps and the exhaust opens. And that was quiet as fuck, so that ain't open.